నమస్కారం. కేఏబి కన్సల్టెంట్స్ విద్యార్థులకు మరియు తల్లిదండ్రులకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ని వీక్షిస్తున్నటువంటి పెద్దలు ఇతరులకు అందరూ కూడా శుభాభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఈరోజు కాలేజ్ కనెక్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ 2020లో భాగంగా డిగ్రీ కళాశాలల్లో అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకోవడానికి దోస్త్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ 2020 పైన అవగాహన కార్యక్రమం ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. దోస్త్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ లో అడ్మిషన్లు తీసుకున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి డిగ్రీ కళాశాలలు మరియు ఆ కళాశాలల ద్వారా ఆఫర్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి సమాచారాన్ని, కౌన్సిలింగ్ లో ఎటువంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి, ఆప్షన్స్ ఎలా నమోదు చేసుకోవాలి అనే సమాచారాన్ని మీకు ఇవ్వటం కొరకు దోస్త్ 2020 కౌన్సిలింగ్ గైడెన్స్ ఫర్ ఆప్షన్ ఎంట్రీ ప్రాసెస్ ఇన్ వెబ్ కౌన్సిలింగ్, దోస్త్ 2020 కౌన్సిలింగ్ గైడెన్స్ ఫర్ ఆప్షన్ ఎంట్రీ ప్రాసెస్ ఇన్ వెబ్ కౌన్సిలింగ్ అనేటువంటి టాపిక్ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మీతోని ఇంటరాక్ట్ కావడం కొరకు ఈరోజు మనం అతిథిని కూడా ఇన్వైట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. గజేంద్ర బాబు గారు, వారు స్టేట్ టెక్నికల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్గా ఉన్నారు. గజేంద్ర బాబు గారు వారు ఎంసీఏ, ఎంకామ్, ఎంఫిల్ చేసి ఉన్నారు. దోస్త్ స్టేట్ టెక్నికల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్గా పనిచేసి ఉన్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం వారు లెక్చరర్ ఇన్ కామర్స్ గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ మల్కాజ్గిరిలో ఉన్నారు. సో ది దోస్త్ కౌన్సిలింగ్, ది ప్రాసెస్ has been initiated and students already started registering their details and the web option entry process is also started. And now I think by this time every student might have got the inputs regarding the colleges that are participating through this dosed counseling and the courses or the programs that they are offering. We know in general through this dosed program, or otherwise to say, in Telangana some of the degree colleges are admitting students on their own, and many of the degree colleges they are recruiting students through dosed counseling, government sponsored dosed counseling. There near about 60 colleges are there which recruit students directly from on their own, conducting their own counseling. And through this dosed, students who opts the admission is eligible for reservation facility, fee reimbursement, and cancellation and the refund is also there. So it's an added advantage to the students. Now, if you look at the programs that are offered through this dosed program, we have BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, BSW, and literature, languages otherwise. So if you look at the program one after the other, under BA also, we have got a lot of specializations. Yeah, can you please? Dosed program, the programs that are offered through dosed counseling are BSc Life Sciences, BSc Physical Sciences, BCom, BCA, BA, BBA or BBM, BSW, B Vocational, BA Languages. So if you look at the specializations inside in detail, under Life Sciences, Applied Nutrition, Public Health, Botany, Chemistry, then Applied Nutrition, Public Health, Chemistry, Biochemistry, Applied Nutrition, Public Health, Microbiology, Chemistry. Basically, these programs are meant for the students who completed their intermediate from BIPC. That's why students who did their intermediate through BIPC, generally they are eligible for these life sciences courses. So we know very well, and the very interested and popular courses among these life sciences are microbiology, biochemistry, chemistry, botany, and now the new courses like public health, applied nutrition, and many more such courses are there. And why you select biotechnology is also there. The next thing, and there are a lot of other combinations. You know, combination goes. See, degree program you have to select three specializations. One like food science, zoology, chemistry, physics, chemistry, biology, or biochemistry kind of combinations. So then botany combination, genetic combination, then nutrition, dietetics, botany and chemistry, zoology, and apart from this, you can choose any 3 subjects from botany, zoology, chemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, computer applications. So there is another combination. These are all called sandwich courses, which are really useful and helpful to the students to get the immediate job opportunities. These are all courses that are being introduced in autonomous institutions, and only to ensure that students after graduation they get some employment, and a step way forward for the higher education in advanced courses. Yeah, next. If you look at the physical sciences, so it's a very interesting, this is chemical technology is also there. Very interesting. Economics, mathematics, and statistics. So generally, technology, when you talk about, it goes with the engineering. But it's lucky that students, they can get admission in chemical technology through even BSc combination. So mathematics, chemistry, computer applications, then mathematics, chemistry, computer science, mathematics, computer hardware, computer science, physics, mathematics, physics and chemistry, and many other applications like the information technology sciences and computer science. Now, mostly now the programs offered in life sciences and physical sciences are interdisciplinary, and there is a multidisciplinary approach is also there, where the mathematics, physics, chemistry combination of courses and some technology driven courses also being introduced. Now, some autonomous colleges and degree programs, they are also offering the very advanced courses like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cyber security. These are all things that have been introduced in degree programs also. So in BCom, if you look at that, advertising, sales, promotion, then banking, insurance, computer applications, So very interesting, this foreign trade practice and procedures, then BCom general, BCom honors, taxation, tax procedure and practices. So many programs are there. Really, students should know what are these programs all about and how they help you in getting a better employment after graduation, or give a pathway for your higher education and even for research also. BCA, the Bachelor of Computer Application, and if you look at the BA, you have got a lot of specializations in the BA. This is a Bachelor of Arts. This is many colleges, it's a charge-based credit system. You can choose any combination of courses like communicative English, computer applications, office management, and computer applications, economics, political science, economics, history, political science. This all depends upon the students who has got some special interest. Like some student wants to do IAS after graduation, and some students wants to go for journalism. Some students wants to go for business management. Some student wants to go for law. So those who have got special interest, kindly see and select the best combination of degree programs here itself. Though common for all the branches, the law and IAS, all those programs are MBA, PhD are all common for all the programs. But whatever the specialization that whatever the specialization that you take at undergraduation is very, very important, because in life you can have a post-graduation in distance learning, but particularly science education, you cannot have it in distance learning. So undergraduation is very important and basic degree that one should get from a recognized university. This is very, very important for students who are aspiring to join in undergraduate programs. So luckily all the programs are offered in our degree colleges are definitely affiliated to Usmania University, Kakati University, Mahatma Gandhi University, and all Palamur University like 6 University, Shadavani University. So any program that you choose, select from those programs has got a better opening for you. But ensure and see that the program that you select, the specialization that you choose must be useful and helpful for your career building. Then political science, mass communication and journalism, then economics, political science, Telugu literature, economics, political science, Telugu. Then many such options are available under BA. Then even history, political science, English, geography, political science. So under BA, even the new subject that's emerging like anything, psychology and journalism. Psychology is really wonderful subject if you can take up now, and it has got a lot of importance after post-graduation. It may be behavioral psychology, education psychology, child psychology, and criminal psychology. Many now, because of these unwarranted situations like corona and other stressful jobs that the people are handling, people definitely need the counseling. So then, you can have your own language. You can have your own language, and you can have because it's a charge-based credit system. You have got multiple things, multidisciplinary approach is there. It's a 6-semester course that you can take up. Now some degree colleges have got 4-year honorary special degree programs also. You can take them separately. Then under BBA and BBM, both are same. Some colleges call it a Bachelor of Business Administration. Some colleges called Bachelor of Business Management. Some colleges called BBA with computer applications also. So BSW is just social work. So then vocational banking and insurance and vocational hospitality, tourism and administration. Purely these two subjects are job-oriented courses. These two subjects are job-oriented courses, or otherwise called it's a termination courses. Once student completes their program, they may automatically get the jobs, because the vocational programs, the intention and the intention to introduce this vocational programs is to get the immediate job openings to the graduate students. Yeah, Namaskar, sir. Our guest Gajendra Babu sir is already joined. I'll take this opportunity to invite.
Good evening, also.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening. Thanks for joining, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Waiting for you. Yes, sir. Yeah, please carry.
Thank you for inviting this evening nice gathering. Outside, I would like to congratulate CAB for conducting, in spite of all this COVID situation, also you are taking a lot of efforts to help the students in their career advancement, and you are taking a lot of pains. I congratulate you all, sir, and I also congratulate all the students who have completed intermediate course successfully and they are going to higher education. Myself, Gajendra Babu, PGK. I have been working as a DOS technical coordinator since 2016 inception, and I completely involved in the total complete process. And this year we have gone from CBA, we have gone to CBCS courses, choice-based credit system, which was as per the CBCS. So this year we have started this choice-based credit system, where it's like a how in the previous years we used to have. First I will cover like this, sir. From the first I will start courses. From then
Yes,
I will come to the.
Yes, sir.
Because this is the new feature which has been added in the TOS this year, and those CBCS choice-based credit systems, in this student can opt whatever the subjects he want among the available courses, all the subjects. Suppose in the BSc, as you have already shown the slides, the BSc physical sciences, there is a mathematics is there, and physics is there, statistics is there, and even economics is also introduced. Even science students can study social studies. In one movie, in YouTube, we heard that some MLA saying that I studied BCom physics like that. In fact, even BA student can study science courses. Science student can study arts courses. Suppose if I opt mathematics, economics, statistics, or else I can go maths, economics, physics, maths, economics, statistics, or computer science, like that, I can opt whatever the courses I want. But different colleges are offering different subjects. So based on that, we have to opt. There is no guarantee that all the colleges are offering all the CBCS courses. Some colleges are offering some courses in that particular CBCS, and some are offering some particular. So it depends upon the college to college. And there are two types of courses. One is specialization courses are there, and other type is CBCS courses. Specialization courses means, suppose for example, BCom and BCom computer applications, BCom general, and BBA, as you already shown that BBA, BBM, BSW. There you need not to select any subjects. That specialization itself says that you are studying computer application, BCom general, and taxation also. This year, government of Telangana introduced taxation courses, BCom taxation courses in many colleges, because there is a much demand for the taxation in the taxation professionals. Because when after pursuing the taxation course also, students can go to CA courses like that. So taxation course also has been introduced as a specialization course in the DOS. So these are the specialized courses where you have to select the specialization. Based on specialization, you will go forward. When come to another type of courses is choice-based credit systems, where the student will opt to among the available. It's like a kind of thing. Suppose if I go to any restaurant, what happens? I will get the menu card. In the menu card, I will get first is rice item, paneer item, roti item, rice item, veg item, non-veg items, like that, desserts, like that. There are some different menus will be there, sub menus. Among that, we'll say, suppose I will take paneer. Among the paneer, I will select whatever I want. Among the rice item, I will take jeera rice or fried rice, like that. So like that, there are among this menu, sub menus, we'll select one. The same way, CBSE is also designed. Student can take the among the sub menus, like option A is one sub menu, Option B is submenu. C, D. There are 4 menus are there, 4 submenus. So in this, student can select one bucket, choose one subject from one bucket. Like that, he can take any 3 subjects. Maximum, he can opt 3 subjects from these 4 buckets in such a way that one subject should be, you cannot select the more than one subject in particular bucket or a bucket option. Bucket we call frequently bucket also. There is when I'm talking bucket means it is an option also. Option and bucket I mean replacing. So we can take it as an option is equal to bucket in this case, or submenu also we can call. So like that, student can opt whatever the subjects he want, he can select among these buckets or options. So even in the BA also, if you observe, when you, some of you might have visited those websites, you'll find mathematics in the BA CBCS. This is also a new concept, a new course subject added in this particular year. So even a BA student can opt mathematics as a part of his course, apart from the economics or political science or some any economics public ed, history public ed, he can opt even mathematics as a one subject. So that option also is the students. Means there are, because of the CBCS, students have more opportunities, and they have, it's like a, you have more option to select whatever you want. But at the time of opting, students web options will be enabled in such a way that based on this eligibility, is buckets will be enabled. Suppose if I studied mathematics, physics, chemistry as a part of my intermediate course, I will be able to go to the courses, buckets, subjects for which I am eligible, and I have to opt only according to that. Suppose, for example, I am an MPC student. In the BA, I can select any subject because everybody is eligible for BA. All the intermediate students, ICSE, CBSE, Telangana Intermediate Board, Andhra Pradesh Intermediate Board, so all other states, whatever the other boards, even you can find other boards also, they are all eligible. All BA, MPC, BPC, HEC, CEC, these 4 or so many streams, they can join in the BA. When come to BCom also any student from intermediate can join the BCom. When come to physical sciences, there is some norm constraint is there. Only the student who studied mathematics, physics, chemistry is eligible for maths, physics, chemistry, maths, electronics, computer science, or else maths, physics, computer science. Like that, he can opt to, only the math students can opt. When come to life sciences courses, the student who has studied life science in intermediate course is eligible for opting this BSc Life Science CBCS. So like that, if I go to BA, I want to opt to mathematics as a subject in the BA, I should have studied mathematics in my intermediate course. Suppose if I study MEC, Maths, Economics, Commerce, I am eligible for the BA Maths as a one subject. If I have studied Maths, Physics, Chemistry in my intermediate, I am eligible to opt to Maths as one of the subjects among these 3 subjects. So only the students who studied mathematics in intermediate, they are eligible to select mathematics. So like that, so there are designed in such a way. Even for the some subjects, there are some constants are there. Suppose in the mathematics also, if I say BSc Physical Sciences, if I want to select a physics, maths is a mandatory even in the degree also. I should select the degree in the bucket A, then I should go to physics in bucket B. If I want to select the electronics, I should have selected mathematics as a, one subject and another subject electronics. So for the students who want to opt physics or electronics, mathematics is compulsory in the degree also, because it is as per the university norms, maths is mandatory for the studying degree in the physics or electronics. Like that, these are designed in such a way. These are the CBCS courses. And another extra feature added this year is WhatsApp chatbot also is there. If you have any doubts, already you might have got, I think, can anybody please raise, anybody got any message from those chatbot? Anybody got, please raise your hands.
Yes, sir. There is a raise in Shashi.
Yeah, Shashi is there, Kata, Ramanjanelu, Aishwarya. Yeah.
Aishwarya.
So you, please, those this year, those introduced even the WhatsApp also, because nowadays connecting the students has become, so it is a challenging. Many of the students are on the online platforms like social media, WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Even Twitter, Facebook also added this year to reach all the students who are on the platform, social media platform. So if you have any doubts, any query regarding to those, you can post even in the those page also. It is already in the those page. You will be available. I will show you once those website. I think many of you might have seen. CSE is, I think it is a computer science course. It's a BTech. EWS certificate, but no income certificate. Economically weaker sections. Yeah, economically weaker sections, you can, OC students are eligible for economics. So if I go to any web browser, Google Chrome or else Firefox, anything, if I type just DOST those, the first you will get is those, welcome to those. So I'll click on the those. Right side top, you will find follows. Facebook is there, Twitter is there, WhatsApp, and then YouTube is there, even the WhatsApp also is there. So our WhatsApp contact number is 790-100-2200. So by saving this mobile number in our contacts, if you say hi to this WhatsApp number, you will get all the menu. So you can ask the what are the questions, already pre-prepared questions are there, you will get the response. So like this year we have introduced even the social media also. If I click on the Facebook, I'll go to those, Facebook will be there. This is those Facebook. So whatever doubts are, you can post here. And even social media, when it comes to social media, there is another option is there. There is a Twitter also is there. If I click on the Twitter, I'll go to Twitter. So when those as also, even Twitter also is there, sir. Any students, any have doubts, they can clarify. And even this year we have even a grievance also is there, sir. If students have any grievances, they can post in the those website grievances, sir. And even those website has grievance some. Yeah, these are the another feature added, social media, another one. CBSE is the first one, and another one this one. And coming to another new feature added in the those is a seat allotment cutoff marks is also given this year. Suppose if I want to know whether I can get the seat in any particular course in any particular college, how can I know? So there is one option is the seat allotment cutoff marks is the right side. Once you click here, student will get like this. So here student has to select based on the select course he wants, he can go, he can select the course, university, in which university he wants. If suppose I want in Usmania University and I want something psychology, English, literature, philosophy, or Bachelor of Business Administration, I'll click business administration. Suppose this stream here, many of students will get stream. What is stream? Stream in the sense, from which stream you are coming from. Are you arts background from the intermediate? Are you commerce background from intermediate? Or are you science background from intermediate? అంటే మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో సైన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చారా అంటే ఎంపీసీ బైపీసీ వచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే మిమ్మల్ని సైన్స్ స్ట్రీమ్ అంటారు. మీరు ఒకేలా ఇంటర్లో సిఈసి హెచ్ఈసి చేసి ఉంటే మిమ్మల్ని ఆర్ట్స్ అండ్ కామర్స్ స్ట్రీమ్స్ అంటారు. సో మీరు అక్కడ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ద స్ట్రీమ్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంపీసీ ఐ విల్ సెలెక్ట్ science. And local, non-local also is there. Suppose whether I am local to the Telangana or as non-local to the Telangana. So I will select that one. And even though we have to select the caste also because the allotment will be taken place based on the reservations and local, everything will be there. So if I suppose I belong to somewhere SC or STBC, suppose I say OC. And even we have to select the gender also because our reservation depends upon even the male, female also is there because 33% reservation is there for female. So suppose if I select male. So now here finally I have to give the marks. How many marks I have secured in intermediate mile? Suppose I have secured something 678 marks. Sorry, percentage is asking percentage. Suppose 67%. So after this, we have to see the allotment report. So these are the colleges and the course which there was a cutoff mark is there. Suppose for which had I got the same marks in last year, I would have got seat in these colleges. Suppose for example, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Degree College, Baglinghampalli, there is a course called Bachelor of Business Administration. For OC student, science background, male with local, the student who has 75.7 marks, he got secured. Means the students who are above these marks and these marks are got the seat. The students who are below this one, suppose for example, had I got 74%. అంటే ఒకవేళ నాకు 740 మార్కులు వచ్చింటే 754 మార్కులు వచ్చింటే నాకు ఇందులో సీట్ వచ్చి ఉండేది కాదు. అదే విధంగా స్ఫూర్తి డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్లో సపోజ్ స్ఫూర్తి డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ there is స్ఫూర్తి డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ is there. So ఇందులో మనకి ఇక్కడ here OC student got 73.2 cut off marks. So like that I can know, I can see what is the cut off last year where that cut off marks stopped here. Like this, we can see.
Right. You will take few questions. I think there may be disturbance in his this thing. Can you please take over, Mr. Srinivas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You just leave that share screening like that, and you take the question answers.
Okay.
We will take from the students.
So this is another feature added this year, sir. Cutoff marks. Based on the cutoff marks last year, I can choose my web options, whether I am able to get in these colleges. But my suggestion is, there is no guarantee that the student who got 75%, suppose there is in B.R. Ambedkar College, the student with OC male 75.7 got seat last year. There is no guarantee that this year also same cutoff will be there. There may be more or less. So we can, it's only just idea to that last year, the student with the 75.7% got last seat in that college, particular college, with the OC male and local candidate. So there is no guarantee that this year it will be same situation. It may change. But this cutoff marks will give you some idea how you can exercise your options for 2020 year, like that. This is another feature added. Suppose if I want to select, suppose another course, like the, suppose I'm going to Mahatma Gandhi University. I'll show another example because, and I want course in become computer application, I become taxation, not computer applications. Stream, suppose I'm from arts and commerce stream. I'm non-local candidate. My caste is something BCC, and my gender is suppose, for example, male. My marks are somewhere around 68%. So no student has got seat in MG University, local candidate with computer application with that marks. So there are less chances for the student, non-local candidate with that particular marks, 68%. So you should have scored more marks, then you would have got the seat. And ఆ తక్కువ మార్కులతో ఆ యూనివర్సిటీలో మహాత్మా గాంధీ యూనివర్సిటీలో ఏ కాలేజీలో కూడా నాన్ లోకల్ స్టూడెంట్ క్యాండిడేట్ కు సీట్ రాలేదన్నమాట. Seat allotment cutoff marks, again I'll go here. In this I'll select the course. Suppose for example this time I'll select Kakatiya University. I want to something Bachelor of Computer Applications, and stream I'm from art stream, local candidate. My caste is something ST. My gender is male. My marks are, suppose for example 67%. So I can see the students who got marks 68%, 60, whatever that 60, the cutoff, below that cutoff, whatever I have got below that cutoff, it is given. The Venkat Arts and Science College, the student with 66.8% got seat in that ST category. Madhu Degree College, Vaira. So these are around 101 colleges are there for which I can go for these colleges, because with that my particular marks, even the student with less than 36%, 36, 37, 38, 39 also got seat in this one. So based on that I can see where I have to what the time of web options, which college I have to select, which course I have to select. But finally it depends upon the competition every year among the reservations, among the category reservation, among the gender reservations, among the local non-local reservation. It depends upon like this. This is one of the feature added in this one. And if I want to see the colleges, what are the colleges courses about, so this feature also is this. I can see, suppose I want to see what are the colleges here, all government are there. All colleges means I'll get all the colleges irrespective of any management, whether it is a government college, government autonomous, university autonomous, private unaided, private aided, like this. And if it is a all means co-education girls, I have to filter what I want, what college. Suppose for example I am male, I want to join only in government colleges, I'll select government colleges. And I'm a gent, I will select the co-education, because I don't need girls colleges, I'll select only co-education colleges where I am eligible. And I want to join in some, this time I will go to Palamur University. Here these are the colleges available under this university, Palamur University, under the government college management. So if I want to select suppose a particular college, which courses are being offered, suppose I will select MALD Government Degree College, Gadwal. So it will ask CAPTCHA 76, because this CAPTCHA is provided to avoid any phishing or unnecessary entry into the website. So this particular college in the Palamur University is offering 6 courses. So here in the BA, any 3 subjects from the history, economics, political science, computer application, public art, Telugu medium. Address, it is a Gadwal. It is a restructured course, government. Seat intake, seat is a 240 intake is there. And there is another course, BCom computer application, English medium, Gadwal, restructured course, the government management type, 60 intake. So like that, even BCom computer application is there, English medium. There are English medium, Telugu medium are also there. That's why it's a computer application is shown twice. One is in English medium, first, second row. Another one is a Telugu medium in third row. And BCom taxation also has been introduced this year. This taxation course has been introduced this year. And in the life science, so like that, there are courses which are available in this particular course college. And ee college lo ee courses offer chestunnaru ani telusukovalanunte, I can use the Searchway college Searchway course. Again, I will come back to the home screen. And one more thing, many of the students, you will get confusion when those allotments will take place, when is the web options last date, when is the ending date. So for that, you need not to get any tension, you need not to ask anybody. You can directly go to those website. Yeah, here in the admission schedule is there. You can see all the details. Suppose, for example, I want to see phase 1 seat allotment, 5th point row, 16/9/2020, September 16th, phase 1 seat allotment. And if I want to see what is the last date for web options, it is a third row. If you see web options 089, so from 29th to 8th September. So I can see, even come to the, suppose for example, there are any special category students. Special category students means the students who completed any NCC, and physically handicapped, children of armed personnel. These students are come under the special category. They have some reservations will be there. For that, there are special dates on which students should visit the university helpline centers. This facility is available only in the university helpline centers. You have to visit the helpline center on particular date, not on any date what you want. It is purely on particular date. So in the 4th point, verification. So on that, there is for physical handicapped and children of armed personnel. So I inform students who are on the platform, make sure that you visit the university helpline center on 3rd September for verification. And for NCC and extracurricular activities also, you will have to visit on 4th September. That is September 4వ తారీఖున NCC extracurricular students visit అవుతారు university helpline center కు. చిల్డ్రన్ అంటే మనకు ఆర్మీ పర్సనల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళు కానివ్వండి, ఫిజికల్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్డ్ వాళ్ళు సెప్టెంబర్ 3వ తారీఖున యూనివర్సిటీ helpline center కు విజిట్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఇది ఎందుకు అంటే, ఇక్కడ అన్లెస్ యూ గెట్ వెరిఫైడ్, యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ ద రిజర్వేషన్ అండర్ ద పర్టికులర్ కేటగిరీ. సపోజ్ మీరు చాలా మంది అంటారు, సార్ నేను ఎన్సీసీ సబ్మిట్ చేశాను, నాకు ఎన్సీసీలో సీట్ రాలేదు, అంటే నాకంటే తక్కువ మార్కులు ఉన్న ఎన్సీసీ స్టూడెంట్ కు నిజాం కాలేజీలో కానీ, గవర్నమెంట్ సిటీ కాలేజీలో, నాగార్జున గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ నల్గొండ, గిరిరాజ్ కాలేజ్ నిజామాబాద్, ఎంవిఎస్ కాలేజ్, వీళ్ళకు నాకు సీట్, వాళ్ళకి నాకంటే తక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చింది, నాకు ఎందుకు రాలేదు ఎన్సీసీ అని మీరు చాలా మంది వస్తూ ఉంటారు. ద రీజన్ ఈస్ the students who got less than with students seat in that particular college with less than your marks, because he got his certificates verified, whereas in your case you did not get verified. So unless you get your certificates verified, you are not eligible for the reservation and that particular special category. So I inform you all, please, if you come under any particular special category, get your certificates verified on specific dates only. It's not done on any other day than only mentioned dates. So after that, you will have second phase, third phase will be there. You can visit the website for the scheduling. So these are the available.